Guys, so this is 5B, solving word problems with substitution. So Rachel has 22 coins. They're all quarters and dimes. If she has a total of $4.45, how many dimes does she have? So I went ahead and created the table. So right here would be our ratio. So I wrote that out over here, it'd be value per coin. And the next one we'd have like number of coins and then the value. So the value of a quarter is 25 cents. The value of a dime is 10 cents. So we don't know how many coins we have, so we're just gonna put in variables for those. What do you like, quarters and dimes? And the value, we're gonna multiply across. So it'll be 0.25Q, and the next one will be 0.1D. So the other part that we know is that she has 22 coins. So the total number of coins that she has is 22. We know that she's a total of $4.45. So the total value that she has is $4.45. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna form our equation. So we're gonna come over here, and our first equation will be Q plus D equals 22. We're just gonna add down this column. So Q plus D equals 22. And then we're also going to add down this column. So it'll be 0.25Q plus 0.1D equals 4.45. So now what we're going to do is we're going to try and get the variables to be able to cancel out. So first we're going to want to get rid of the decimals. So we can multiply these by 100, multiply both sides to get 25Q plus 10D equals 445. Now that makes it a little easier. So we're done with this equation. So we want to get this to either be negative 25, so these two can cancel, or we want this to be a negative 10, so these two can cancel. So I think it's easier to do the 10 because it's a smaller number. So we're going to multiply these and this by a negative 10 to get negative 10Q minus 10D equals negative 220. So these two are going to cancel because they would equal 0 whenever we're coming down. So 25 minus 10 is 15Q, which equals 220 minus 45 would be 225. And from our square roots, we know that there are 15 quarters. So we are trying to find the number of dimes. So what we're going to do, we'll do 22. So we know that we have 15 quarters. So 22 minus 15. We know that that is 7. So we know that we have 7 dimes. And what we can do is we can go plug back in our numbers. We can plug the 15 back in for the Q and the 7 back in for the D.